If you're wondering how to play an automated webinar in EverWebinar, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to set up and run an automated webinar with EverWebinar so you can get started today and scale your business without live appearances. Stick with me until the end because I'll reveal how you can get an exclusive extended free trial to EverWebinar and some extra bonuses to help you get the most out of it. First, let's dive into what EverWebinar actually is. This platform allows you to set up automated webinars, which are pre-recorded but run as if they're live. It's perfect if you want to save time, reach more people, and make sales while you sleep. Next, let's look at how to create your automated webinar. After logging into EverWebinar, go to the Webinars section and click Create Webinar. You'll be asked to name your webinar and choose the type of webinar. For an automated webinar, select the Automated Webinar option. This is where you'll upload your pre-recorded video and make sure it's ready to run smoothly for your audience. The third thing you'll want to do is set your scheduling. In EverWebinar, you can decide whether you want your webinar to play immediately when someone registers, or if you prefer to schedule it for a later date. You can also set up recurring webinars, which means you don't have to worry about manually starting the webinar each time. Next up, let's talk about customizing your webinar experience. EverWebinar lets you personalize your registration page, confirmation emails, and even the webinar's interface. This is where you can add your branding, set the time zone for different regions, and even tweak the design to align with your business's look. This step is crucial for making your webinar feel personalized, even though it's automated. Now, let's go over the important part, integrating your webinar with other tools. EverWebinar integrates seamlessly with platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and your payment processor, so you can automate your follow-ups and sell directly from your webinar. This integration helps you follow up with registrants automatically, which means you can keep the conversation going and increase your chances of converting attendees into customers. The fifth thing is tracking your results. After your webinar has run, EverWebinar offers a detailed analytics dashboard that shows you everything from registration rates to attendee engagement. This allows you to adjust your strategy to improve future webinars, so you can continuously optimize your sales process. To wrap up, using EverWebinar for automated webinars is a game changer when it comes to scaling your online business. You set it, forget it, and let the system do the work for you. If you're ready to get started with EverWebinar, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below. We've secured an exclusive extended free trial, plus bonuses, so you can dive in and start running automated webinars right away, risk-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.